2017 Nissan Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, and most of the features come standard. Combine that with the powerful engine, 6 standard airbags, and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, power passenger seat, remote engine start, navigation system, backup camera, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, aluminum wheels, cruise control, keyless start, universal garage door opener. This vehicle is Carfax certified one owner and qualifies for Carfax buyback guarantee. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.